Hey everyone, so today we're just going to do a quick lesson on multiplying fractions. So let's pretend you have the fraction 4/5 and you want to take that times 2, okay? Well, you could just add it, right? We could do our regular 4/5 plus 4/5 because they have the same denominator. We can just say what's 4 plus 4, that's 8, and the denominator stays the same. So we would get 8/5. The other thing that you can do is you can take the 4/5 and we can multiply it by 2 whole. So that would be 2 over 1, okay? So 4 times 2 is 8, and 5 times 1 is 5. So we get the same answer, but this multiplying of fractions might be a little bit faster when you have bigger numbers. Let's try another one. All right, so for this problem, I have written 3/4 times 3. And the reason I did that is my mom really likes baking. She makes really good cookies, and so oftentimes when she makes them, she makes very large batches of cookies. So she won't just make one, she might multiply it by 3. So let's pretend she's using 3/4 of a cup of flour, but she's making 3 times that recipe. So what I could do to help her out is I could write 3/4 and I could multiply it by 3 over 1, okay? So now we're just going to look at what is 3 times 3, which would be 9, and 4 times 1 would be 4. Now, something that might also help you out that we've practiced in class is instead of measuring out 9/4, right, you could take out your 1/4 of a cup and measure it 9 times, but that would take a long time. So the other thing you can do is you can do 9 divided by 4, or think how many times does 4 go into 9? Goes in there 2 times. We subtract and we're left with 1. So now this problem would be 2 whole cups and 1/4 of another. So then that would be a little bit faster to measure. You'd have 2 whole cups and 1/4. All right, we'll do one more. So if we had 5/6 times 7, okay? So again, we're going to do 5/6 times 7 over 1 because we want 7 whole. 5 times 7 is 35, and 6 times 1 is 6. Then if we want to change it into a mixed number, which makes everything a little bit easier, we do 35 divided by 6. 6 can go into 35 5 times. We'll subtract 30, and we're left with 5. So now our mixed number, our whole number, is the 5, the quotient, and our remainder is our new numerator. So our final answer would be 5 and 5/6.